Pygenic granuloma, granuloma pyogeniculum. It is a common condition which occurs on the face, scalp, fingers and toes. It may be due to minor trauma or minor infection. Infection leads to formation of unhealthy granulation tissue which protrudes through the wound. It is also called as acquired lobular capillary hemangioma. Features: usually single, well localized, red, firm, nodule, which bleeds on touch. May or may not be tender. Sites: face, scalp, fingers, toes. Differential diagnosis: hemangioma, papilloma, skin adnexal tumors. In recurrent cases, hemangioendothelioma and melanoma. Treatment: excision, laser surgery. Later tissue has to be sent for histopathological study. Pyogenic granuloma finger. Pyogenic granuloma lower lip. Impetigo. It is highly infectious superficial skin infection caused commonly by Staphylococcus but sometimes by streptococcal organisms. It usually occurs in infants and children with formation of multiple blisters in the face, neck and hands that rupture and coalesce to cover with honey-colored crust. Red sores, itchy rashes, tender regional lymph nodes are typical. Impetigo may be non-bullous, impetigo contagiosa, most common in nose and mouth. Bullous, common in less than 2 years. Common in body, arms, legs, ectema, most serious form involving deeper layer of the skin. Staphylococcus aureus causes most non-bullous impetigo and all bullous impetigo. For persistent impetigo, culture of the wound to identify MRSA and the nose to identify a causative nasal reservoir is needed. Treatment is oral antibiotics and topical antiseptics, mupirocin, fusidic acid. Note: eczema is an ulcerative form of impetigo. Ectema is characterized by small, purulent, shallow, punched-out ulcers with thick, brown-black crusts and surrounding erythema. Erythrasma. It is the infection caused by Carinebacterium minutissimum involving foot, groin, axilla, subumbilical area and perineum mimicking the tinea or intertrigo. It is common in diabetics. Obesity, common in females. Superficial scaling, fissuring and maceration are common. In groin, pink-brown marginated patch with fine scaling is common. Erythrasma fluorescens a typical coral red color under a wood light. Absence of hyphae in skin scrapings differentiates it from tinea. Treatment is topical and oral erythromycin or clindamycin. Scrum pox, A-B fix, 1.112a and B, pyogenic granuloma finger. Scrum pox is a disease seen in rugby players, athletes with close contact sports, wherein infection occurs during scrum. Ming. It is usually caused by herpes rigbiorum or herpes rigbiiforum, herpes simplex virus type 1. Scrum pox-like condition can also be caused by Streptococcus pyogenes where it is called as scrum strep. Similar infection seen in wrestlers caused by herpes gladiatorum and is called as mat pox. Rugby players within the scrum, forwards position, are more prone for infection. Vesicular lesions with pain, fever are the usual features. Infection may complicate as keratitis, corneal scarring, sacral ganglionitis and meningitis. Antiviral drug like acyclovir, 200 mg 5 times a day for 10 days, is the treatment. Valacyclovir is also used.